Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Powergesic MR Tablet, coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Genberg Pharmaceuticals, Ltd. Powergesic MR Tablet. Uses. Powergesic MR Tablet is mainly used in the treatment of pain due to muscle spasms. Benefits. Powergesic MR Tablet is a combination medicine that helps relieve pain, inflammation, and swelling in muscle-related conditions. It effectively reduces muscle stiffness and spasms, improving flexibility and movement. It works by blocking pain signals in the brain, helping you perform daily activities more comfortably and improving your quality of life. Remember, always take the lowest effective dose for the shortest possible duration to stay safe. Side effects. Like all medicines, Powergesic MR Tablet may cause some side effects such as dizziness, constipation, abdominal pain, indigestion, or nausea. These effects are usually mild and temporary, but if they persist or worsen, consult your doctor. How to use. Take Powergesic MR Tablet exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Swallow it whole. Do not chew, crush, or break it. It can be taken with or without food, but try to take it at the same time each day for the best results. How it works. Powergesic MR Tablet is a combination of 3 medicines: chlorzoxazone, diclofenac, and paracetamol. Chlorzoxazone is a muscle relaxant that works on the brain and spinal cord to reduce muscle stiffness. Diclofenac and paracetamol are pain relievers that block the release of chemicals responsible for pain and inflammation. Together, they relax your muscles and provide powerful pain relief.